Guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Before we get into today's video, I just want to let you know that there will be links in the description box down below to help support and spread awareness for the Black Lives Matter movement. There will be links to petitions, donations, and more information and everything that has to do with the Black Lives Matter movement. If you haven't already, please go ahead and sign a petition. Donate some money for some bail funds or legislative change if you haven't already. Please check those out because I've been posting these links in my description box for the past couple weeks, hopefully not for nothing. So please, if you haven't already, check those out. Thank you. Today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look by Makeup by Alinna. So this is the look that I'm going for today, and this is the finished look basically, but I am going to be recreating this picture as well. Stay tuned to the end to see how I made this happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so this is me right now. I'm just like looking at this picture and it's very humbling. So I tried to put my hair in a bun and it's kind of the same color as what she has going on right now, and I tried to get like the same kind of, this is like the tank top that I have that is the most similar to hers, except it has these two things right here. I bought this tank top when I was looking for something to wear for after prom. 17 years old, and I'm about to be 23 and it still fits. Okay, it survived quarantine. So I kind of want to do this as fast as possible, so we're just going to get right down to it. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. So I'm going to be taking my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Thank you, Skincare by Hiram. I've been using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream for a very long time, and I actually looked at the ingredients after Hiram became a thing, and I found out that it has fragrance in it. That is like taboo on all of these skincare products. So if anything that you're using has fragrance in it, throw it away. If you don't know who Skincare by Hiram is, then you're definitely living under a rock. Basically, he is the skincare god guru of social media. Everyone, including myself, trusts his opinion. I'm trying to formulate a new skincare routine. This is part of it. He is responsible for the sellout of these products in Target and Walmart and all of the drugstores out there. He is powerful. I managed to get this, so I'm very happy about that. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut Water Drop Primer. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. I really like this primer because it is very affordable and very effective as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my face. Flawless, maximum capacity of flawlessness. So this is not really a tutorial, but I just really want to see like for myself if I can actually recreate this. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade 360. I haven't used this foundation in such a long time. I think like the oils in it have separated. I tried to recreate this beautiful, flawless base that she has going on, and I'm going to try to do it as fast as possible. So I wanted to do like a red look because I have like a theme going on my Instagram right now with like the color red. So I wanted it to match that look and I wanted to optimize my content. So I was like, why not do red for this look too? So I think I went pretty deep. Not that deep, but kind of deep into her Instagram. So I was just scrolling through her feed and I just found this picture because I felt like it was doable and I could definitely recreate that because of her hair color and her clothes. Also, the makeup looked recreatable. So okay, I feel like this base is beautiful. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put on some concealer. So for the concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige. And this is the light medium beige that I have because if you've been watching my videos, I have two medium beige shades in this exact same brand line of concealer, and they're two different colors for some reason, but this is the light one. And I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face. So I'm going to use the new technique of concealing, which is using a minimal amount of concealer. And also trying to uplift my face with the concealer. If you guys want to see a video on how, oh, I look crazy. If you guys want to see a video, like an extensive video on this concealer hack from TikTok with this and like the difference, check that out on my channel. I have it up for you as well. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with a Wet n Wild foundation brush because I don't feel like wetting my sponge, but when do I ever? A lot of hope for this look because I am really loving this base that I have going on. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some bronzer to my face. I look super... wow, like I was just born. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Tantour bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some warmth to my face. So I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of add some bronzer onto my cheeks, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. I'm kind of just doing what I usually do for my face shape, and I'm not really trying to change my face shape to match hers, because I feel like when I do that, when I try to recreate people's looks and I try to change my face shape to look like them, I just end up looking gross and ugly and it just comes out so bad. So I'm just going to try and kind of look like me, but just recreate the look on myself. And I'm trying to imagine the techniques that I think she also used for this look. Also, don't mind my very thin hair. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to chisel out my nose. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, and I probably am. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face. So I'm going to be taking my Airspun Translucent Powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge, and it's not wet, but I'm just going to pick up some powder, and I'm going to go ahead and pack it right under my eye and up on the side of my nose. So her face looks pretty matte, so I'm not really going to deviate from that, even though I have been feeling very dewy lately. I'm just gonna kind of concentrate a lot of the powder on some of the places that I feel like I could use a little bit of baking. Alright, and now I'm almost immediately gonna go ahead and brush it away. I'm actually gonna pick up a little bit more powder with my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just going to swirl it onto my face and just brush away excess powder that I have going on under my eyes. I'm just gonna like blend it into the rest of my face so that everywhere else is set. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just go back over all of the areas with some bronzer and some blush. So I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer, and I'm just gonna like dust that right over the areas that I put the cream contour. She looks like she's wearing like mostly blush and not that much contour. She doesn't look too bronzed. She actually looks really peachy, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with the bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna be taking the Ciate London blush in the shade Dusk. So this is like a blush pink. I do have more of a peachy shade, but I'm not sure where it is at the moment. I wish this was a little bit more peach, but I guess it's fine. I'm also going to put a little bit on the tip of my nose. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and set my face because I feel like it looks a little bit powdery. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Go ahead and do my brows off camera just to save some time. So I've been trying to make them as precise as possible, just like hers, but I don't want them to be as black and dark as hers, but we're going to see. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows. Kind of sunset looking eye with like gold liner. Charlotte Dusk palette. So I think this palette is actually perfect for this look. Go ahead and create this smoky eye looking thing, and let's see what happens. The whole look. I put on my lips, I put on highlight, and I finished the eye makeup, and I put on lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures, and I'm gonna try to recreate this picture. But for the makeup part of it, I feel like I did a pretty good job. Like, I can't really see what it looks like close, but like, I like it on myself. I feel like it looks kind of regular, like how I do my makeup, and the only thing that's different is my eye makeup, which is like this specific look that she did. This is just gonna have to do. Let's take this picture and see what happens. Okay, I feel it now. I feel like I am Makeup by Alinna. This is like the Walmart version of Makeup by Alinna. I'm pretty happy with these pictures. I did have to edit my hair a little bit because this is like, I feel like I did a good job. I just wanted to say that I had to face tune a little bit because just to give myself a chance, okay? Don't come at me. I really, like, this picture had potential. If you guys like this picture, if you feel like I did a good job, please let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up of my eye makeup, and then let me know what you guys think. I feel like it is pretty normal to what I usually do. I did put on a lot more foundation than usual because I don't know why, that just happened. But I like the base. I think it looks really flawless and I'm happy with it. It was what I was going for. My eyebrows are being weird today. But they are not that bad. But this is the eye makeup look. I'm actually pretty happy with this. This is actually really cute. Like, I haven't worn glitter on my eyes in forever. I think this is really pretty. I like it a lot. So let me know how you guys think the picture came out, or this look, or if you think that I recreated this Makeup by Alinna look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other video suggestions that you'd like to see from me, if you want to see me recreate someone else's look, or if you want to see me recreate another Makeup by Alinna look. Her looks are always fun because they're like a little challenge, but they're definitely doable, which is the great part. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!